two questions.
Yeah.
One, it's hard to attach a single number to this, but what fraction of the obesity epidemic that we observe in the United States do you think is caused by altered interactions with sunlight or, artificial light and its consequences? Or put differently, let me phrase the question differently.
Yeah.
If we were designing an experiment and I wanted to wager the hypothesis that exposure to 15 minutes a day of sunlight could help reduce, adipose tissue, et cetera, independent of caloric intake. I know this is a kind of a heretical idea.
Yeah.
Independent of additional exercise and all that. And I designed the experiment with you, and we said, okay, people are going to go outside for 15 minutes a day. They're going to wear short sleeves if they can, or just a simple long sleeve clothing. They're going to get this long wavelength light from the sun, 15 minutes a day.
Yeah.
Based on what you told us about the light shown on the back and the
Yes.
lowered glucose response,
Yes.
independent of all other variables, what percentage improvement in sort of the overall metrics of obesity and metabolic disease do you think you would predict? If we were just going to, we bet a sushi dinner, for instance.
Yeah. I guess another way of asking the question is at what level would I be really surprised? If it was 50%, I would be surprised.
Right, same.
Yeah. If it was 20 to 30%, I think that would probably be where it is, but that's significant.
That's still significant.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's very helpful. I think a lot of people hearing about the role of sunlight and long wavelength light in particular, its potential influence on improving overall immune system function, metabolic health, et cetera, might think that this sounds a little bit kind of biohacky, because the moment we get into red lights, that's sort of like cold plunges. It's kind of immediately associated with kind of biohacking.